Yeah, yeah, it coolly. Oh, no, 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 no. I see the pain in people's eyes. I see the struggles real and clear. The system line will trap me again with no escape, with no escape. But I know tomorrow, another day to make a change, to make a change, yo. To make a change, yo. To visualize, yo. Tomorrow is about the pain. Tomorrow find a way to break the change. Tomorrow stay united, hand in hand. Tomorrow make a bright future for people land. I hear the cries of my brothers and sisters. I hear the cries of my mother, my papa. The screams of my sisters. The streets are filled with violence. Yeah, yeah. The system of mine always strong as ceilings. We make a bold, raise above. Yeah, raise up, take control, make a custody, over custody, make a destiny untold. Oh yeah, yeah. Tomorrow rise above the pain. Yeah, yeah. Oh, tomorrow find a way to break the chain. Tomorrow stand the night hand in hand. Tomorrow make a bright future for our people in land, our people in land. Yeah, yeah. I see the hope in eyes on the eye. A generation rising, the dream that's not done. They're tired of suffering, they're tired of the pain, they're ready to fight now. For a better tomorrow, for a better game. Tomorrow rise above the pain. Tomorrow find a way to break the chain. Tomorrow stand united, hand in hand. Tomorrow make a bright future for people land. We stand strong, we stand tall. We'll face the challenges, we'll give it all. We'll fight for just, we'll fight what's right. We'll make tomorrow a brighter day, a brighter night, yeah. So keep pushing, keep striving, keep fighting, yeah, yeah. We're better life, tomorrow day, we'll make it happen. Tomorrow's the day we rise above the struggle and illness. We'll rise on the edges like a field of flames. Our voice we have for a massive claim. We stand for the future, we stand what's right. We shine a light on the darkness. We ignite now, no, no. Tomorrow, tomorrow, yo, yeah, yeah. Rise above the pain. Tomorrow find a way to break the chains. Tomorrow stand united, hand in hand. Tomorrow make a bright future for people in land. We own our ancestors, we own our legacy, we own our past. We learn from the struggles.